Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is chilling right now. But if you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified. If you're already part of the crew, salute. Now, Samsung Notes actually just dropped an update. They have 4 new features, which are actually pretty cool that I wanted to talk about. Now, these features will enhance usability, make it a lot easier for you to jot down notes, organize your thoughts in a more cohesive way where you can get back to them a lot easier. I think Samsung did a really good job with some of these features that they did update this app with. So first thing that I want to talk about is the individual pages. Now, when you jot down notes now on the Samsung Galaxy Notes app, it's going to actually let you write notes with individual pages. You can sort and reorganize the pages with the little edit tab. That's the first thing that I think is actually pretty cool. It's the first feature that they updated on these things. Now, the other thing that they give you is that you can write on the top of text. So I think that's pretty cool because you can write on the top of text now. That's something that's pretty cool. It says you can circle important ideas, underline key phrases, and draw notes. So you know they want to make it a lot easier for you to use the pen on here. It's actually right on the bottom of this thing. You can use it with your Galaxy. I'm not sure if all the I'm pretty sure that all the Samsung Galaxy devices that support the the pen, the S Pen, will have this feature. So I definitely think that's pretty cool. So that's the second thing, is that you can write on the top of your text, make individual notes. You can underline key phrases, draw notes on your draw on your notes pretty much, to check off things. Maybe you want to update yourself on the notes that you already have as well. You can circle important ideas as well. So the third thing that's pretty cool that I was actually like, this should have been on here a long time ago, is that you can import PDFs. So it says that you can import PDFs to notes and draw, write and draw on the right top of them. So that's kind of sick. They should have had that feature. A lot of the apps that I use, I remember the LG Stylo series would let you import PDFs all the time. This is something that probably was there. They probably updated it a little bit because you can actually draw on them now. So I think that's pretty sick that you can draw and import PDFs on the top, of the note. Now, the last feature, the fourth thing that they actually updated on here, was that you can skip to the right spot. So you can actually record while you write. Like, it lets you do like a little screen recording, and then you can see the notes unfold as you listen, and then you skip to the sentence by tapping, just jump to the point of that recording by tapping the sentence. So I definitely think that's pretty cool as well. But let me know what you think about all 4 of these features. I definitely think they're pretty sick. Samsung Notes, you could use the S Pen to make your life a lot easier, and Samsung Electronics has definitely been on top of their game in the last few years with some of their software and everything like that. But it's your boy Serrano. Hopefully you did find this video helpful. Hitting the like button would be a big help to the channel, but I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this video today and chill with me. But if you're new to the crew, make sure you subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. Click one of the videos on the left or the right side. I think I just did this video the other day. This one I might have did a little bit while ago, but it's still a really good video. But I'll check you guys later, and I'll get right back with you. Peace.